A guest is a blessing, a messenger of goodwill. A very blessed good evening to our respected dignitaries, esteemed guests, dear teachers, and friends. A grand occasion deserves a grand beginning. As we witness the coming together of talent, discipline, and wisdom, let's welcome our honored, esteemed dignitaries to the stage with a grand welcome by our school band group as our school student council escorts them to the stage. We are privileged to have today's chief guest, Sri Sheelam Navkishore Reddy Sir, DCF of Sironcha, Sri Ajay Kumar Sukundarwar Sir, Tahsildar of Sironcha, Sri Sukiram N. Kasture Sir, BDO of Sironcha, our presiding guest, Reverend Father Joshi Valapalli CMI, Secretary of Marthoma Province. Guest of honor, Sri Kishore Kashiram Chavan Sir, BEO of Sironcha, Mrs. Farzana Sheikh Ma'am, Nagar Panchayat President, Sri Bablu Pasha Sir, Nagar Panchayat Vice President, Sri Nagaraj Ganpati Sir, Sarpanch of Janampalli Sironcha. To grace this event with valuable presence, we are truly honored to have all here to share this moment, insights, and experiences with us today. With a spirit of pride and respect, we request our chief guests, Sri Sheelam Navkishore Reddy Sir, DCF of Sironcha, Sri Ajay Kumar Sakundarwar Sir, Tahsildar of Sironcha, Sri Sukiram N. Kasture Sir, BDO of Sironcha, our presiding guest, Reverend Father Joshi Valapalli CMI, Secretary of Marthoma Province. Our guest of honor, Sri Kishore Kashiram Chavan Sir, BEO of Sironcha, Mrs. Farzana Sheikh Ma'am, Nagar Panchayat President, Sri Bablu Pasha Sir, Nagar Panchayat Vice President, Sri Nagaraj Ganpati Sir, Sarpanch of Janampalli Sironcha, Reverend Father Linus Penny, Carmel Academy Honorable Administrator, Reverend Sister Divya, Principal of Carmel Academy, to join us to the stage. Leading them with grace, the school band performs a welcoming march. Please rise as a mark of respect as our honored guests take their seats. Let's give them a big hand as they make their way to the stage, accompanied by our school band group. we feel privileged to have you all here today to celebrate a decade of Carmel Academy's successful journey. Thank you.
Respected Chief Guest, Sri Sheelam Navakishore Reddy Sir, DCF of Sironcha, Sri Ajay Kumar Sakundarwar Sir, Tahsildar of Sironcha, Sri Sukiram N. Kasture Sir, BDO of Sironcha, our esteemed presiding guest, Reverend Father Joshi Valapalli CMI, Secretary of Marthoma Province of Chanda, Honorable Guest of Honor, Sri Kishore Kashiram Chavan Sir, BEO of Sironcha, Mrs. Fazana Sheikh Ma'am, Nagar Panchayat President of Sironcha, Sri Bablu Pasha Sir, Nagar Panchayat Vice President of Sironcha, Sri Nagaraj Ganpati Sir, Sarpanch of Janampalli, Sironcha, Reverend Father Linesh Benny, Honorable Administrator of Carmel Academy, respected Principal Sister Divya, Sister Celine, the Mother Superior of St. Tresulo Convent, Reverend Fathers, Reverend Sisters, dedicated teachers, loving parents, and my dear friends. Wishing you a splendid evening and a very warm and heartfelt welcome to Carmel Academy's Decennial Spectra Celebration 2026. Today is a special, joyous day where we witness the culmination of a year filled with learning and growth. Today is also a day to celebrate the spirit of our school community where talent meets passion. We are thrilled to showcase a journey of excellence, creativity, and joy. As we stand here today, we reflect on a decade of unwavering commitment to excellence at Carmel Academy, Sironcha. 10 years of nurturing young minds, fostering creativity, and shaping futures have led us to this moment. We are proud of our achievements and we are grateful for the guidance of our dedicated faculty and the support of our loving parents. Today, we come together to celebrate not just the performances, but the spirit of dedication, teamwork, and resilience that students have shown throughout the academic year. It is also a day to honor their hard work, encourage their artistic, academic, and athletic talents, and to celebrate the vibrant community of our school. To make this celebration as a memorable one, we are delighted to invite you to Carmel Academy's Decennial Spectra celebration. Your support and encouragement mean the world to us. To join us this remarkable event, just sit back and enjoy an evening filled with talent and joy. Thank you.
जैसे कि एक महान विचारक ने कहा है, एक्सेलेंस इज नॉट ए डेस्टिनेशन, इट इज़ ए कंटिन्यूअस जर्नी ऑफ लर्निंग, डेडिकेशन एंड ग्रोथ। इसी विचार को साकार करते हुए आज हमारा विद्यालय उत्कृष्टता की इस यात्रा के 10 गौरवशाली वर्ष पूरे कर रहा है। आदरणीय मुख्य अतिथि महोदय, महोदया, माननीय प्राचार्य जी, सम्मानित शिक्षकगण, प्रिय अभिभावकगण तथा मेरे प्यारे साथियों, आप सभी को मेरा सादर नमस्कार। आज का यह अवसर हम सभी के लिए अत्यंत हर्ष, गर्व और उल्लास का क्षण है। हम सभी यहाँ अपने विद्यालय के वार्षिक समारोह में सम्मिलित होने के लिए एकत्रित हुए हैं। यह समारोह इस वर्ष और भी अधिक विशेष और यादगार बन गया है, क्योंकि आज हम अपने विद्यालय की गौरवशाली यात्रा के 10 Years of Excellence अर्थात उत्कृष्टता के 10 सफल और प्रेरणादायी वर्षों का उत्सव मना रहे हैं। किसी भी संस्था के लिए 10 वर्षों की यात्रा केवल समय का एक पड़ाव नहीं होती, बल्कि यह संघर्ष, परिश्रम, समर्पण और निरंतर प्रगति की कहानी होती है। इन 10 वर्षों में हमारे विद्यालय ने शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में ही नहीं, बल्कि संस्कार, अनुशासन, खेल, कला और सांस्कृतिक गतिविधियों के माध्यम से विद्यार्थियों के सर्वांगीण विकास में महत्वपूर्ण योगदान दिया है। यह उपलब्धि केवल विद्यालय की नहीं, बल्कि उन सभी लोगों की है जिन्होंने इस यात्रा को सफल बनाने में अपना अमूल्य योगदान दिया है। हमारे आदरणीय शिक्षकों का मार्गदर्शन, विद्यार्थियों की लगन और मेहनत तथा अभिभावकों का निरंतर सहयोग और विश्वास ही इस सफलता की सच्ची नींव है। वार्षिक समारोह केवल उत्सव का अवसर नहीं होता, बल्कि यह विद्यार्थियों के लिए अपनी प्रतिभा और प्रदर्शित करने का एक महत्वपूर्ण मंच भी होता है। आज के इस भव्य समारोह में हमारे विद्यार्थी नृत्य, संगीत, नाटक और अन्य सांस्कृतिक प्रस्तुतियाँ के माध्यम से अपनी प्रतिभा का सुंदर प्रदर्शन करेंगे। तो आइए हम सभी मिलकर इस विशेष अवसर का हर्षोल्लास के साथ स्वागत करें। विद्यार्थियों का उत्सववर्धन और इस यादगार कार्यक्रम का आनंद लें। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं इस भव्य वार्षिक समारोह की औपचारिक शुरुआत की घोषणा करती हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Annual Day is not just a celebration, it's a reflection of journey, a showcase of talent, and a promise for brighter tomorrow. Warm and heartfelt welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Sri Sheelam Navkishore Reddy Sir, DCF of Siruncha, Sri Ajay Kumar Sakundarwa Sir, Tahsildar of Siruncha, Sri Sukiram N. Kasture Sir, BDO of Siruncha, our presiding guest, Reverend Father Joshi Valapalli CMI, Secretary of Mar Thoma Province of Chanda. Our guest of honor, Sri Kishore Kashiram Chavan Sir, BEO of Siruncha, Mrs. Farzana Sheikh Ma'am, Nagar Panchayat President of Siruncha, Sri Bablu Pasha Sir, Nagar Panchayat Vice President of Siruncha, Sri Nagaraj Ganpati Sir, Sarpanch of Janampalli Siruncha, Reverend Father Linesh Benny, CMI, Honorable Administrator of Carmel Academy, respected Principal Sister Divya, respected Sister Celine, the Mother Superior of Central Selva Convent, Reverend Fathers and Sisters, dedicated teachers, loving parents and students.
Today is a day of joy where we celebrate the culmination of a year filled with hard work, learning and fun.
What a joy it is for us to be here, to witness the spectacle. Indeed, this is the year that strengthens our hopes. It is also the year to commemorate 10 years of our excellence.
10 years of imbibing values and self-discipline. 10 years of kindled inner flame of faith. 10 years of molding peoples into self-visionaries.
Education brings confidence, confidence brings hope, hope brings peace.
Today, we recognize the contribution of CMI congregation and FDM congregation in providing quality education to the society for the 10 years in Siruncha.
Today, the stage is set, the lights are bright, and stars are ready to shine. Let us begin this beautiful evening with a blessing, with a promise to create memories that will last a lifetime. So, without any further ado, on behalf of the Carmel Academy,
I, Navita Aitwar,
I, Dhanvir Tokalwar, cordially welcome you all to the annual day celebration of Carmel Academy Siruncha.
असतोमा सद्गमया, तमसोमा ज्योतिर्गमया, मृत्योर्मा अमृतम गमया.
O Lord, from the ignorance, lead us to the truth. From death, lead us through the immortality. From darkness, let us drive out the ignorance in our mind and draw the knowledge of light and wisdom within us.
Light symbolizes knowledge, hope, and positivity. To officially mark the beginning of this grand evening, I humbly request all our distinguished guests, escorted by our school management, do the ceremonial of the lightning lamp. And I also
Thank you everyone for illuminating this evening with your presence and blessing.
As we gather for our annual day, let us begin by invoking the blessings of the Almighty to guide us and enlighten our path.
To set the tone for this auspicious occasion, let us surrender ourselves to the divine. Here are our students ready to offer their devotion through a graceful, soulful, and mesmerizing prayer dance.
Let's witness a harmonious blend of rhythm and devotion as our students perform a welcoming prayer dance to invoke the blessings of the Lord.
शरीयत कामिल जाँ बहाल करती है, सत्य है नियम प्रभु का जो ज्ञान देती है। खुदा की शरीयत कामिल जाँ बहाल करती है, सत्य है नियम प्रभु का जो ज्ञान देती है। सिद्ध है प्रभु का वचन दिल को सुकून देता है, आज्ञा प्रभु की निर्मल नैनों की ज्योति है। आकाश मंडल ईश्वर
What a wonderful, soulful performance that has surely elevated the spirit of this evening.
That was truly a divine performance. Thank you to our dancers for such a peaceful start to our function.